Wara 17-il sena Malta se terġa' tipparteċipa b'mod qawwi fil-Biennale ta' Venezja tas-sena d-dieħla. Dan il-għan li l-prodott kulturali u artistiku Malti jingħata l-aqwa promozzjoni f'dan wieħed mill-ikbar avvenimenti fid-dinja f'dan is-settur. Fil-Vella u Bettina Huċċek huma l-organizzaturi rebbiegħa li ntażlu mill-Kunsill Malti għall-Arti biex jesebixxu l-proġett Homo Melitensis. Dan hu proġett li jippromuovi l-identità nazzjonali Maltija bħala waħda li qed tinbidel tul is-snin. Huma ddeskrivew din l-opportunità bħala l-ikbar unur li jista' jkollu kuratur li jarrappreżenta lil pajjiżu fil-Biennale f'sit ta' 300 metru kwadru kollu ddedikat għal Malta biss.
Homo Melitensis is going to present a platform in form of a chamber of curiosities where we are going to display objects from various sources and various backgrounds and different time zones, such as artists' works from the Maltese islands, then works by artists from the Maltese diaspora, folk art objects, objects on loan from local museum collections, but also private collections, and also we want to bring in very found objects or newspaper articles to reflect the contemporary reality of Malta.
It-tema ewlenija hija dik tal-identità nazzjonali, suġġett li qed jiġi diskuss fil-midja internazzjonali minħabba li qed ngħixu f'dinja li tippromovi l-fenomenu tal-globalizzazzjoni u l-integrazzjoni.
Identity is a very important topic nowadays. Everyone's speaking about it. It is affecting the global arena. Many people feel this fear of the other. This threat of losing one's identity as a result of what they perceive as a problem with immigration, for instance, or globalization. So it is a very important topic, and we thought we'd see it from a local perspective, but at the same time look at the international implications of it.
Il-pass li jmiss għall-ambaxxaturi minn Malta issa li flimkien mat-tim li stabbilixxew jibdew jagħtu ħajja lil dan il-proġett. F'konferenza stampa li ħabbret il-parteċipazzjoni tagħhom fil-Biennale, dawn ma eskludewx il-possibilità ta' konsultazzjoni pubblika dwar x'jista' jintwera fin-narrattiva Maltija.
Already have a team. We couldn't possibly do it together alone, so we have an architecture project which is helping us with Tom van Malderen, who's the architect in charge. We have Stefan Colgan as well, who's helping us out with a more online material as well. So it's a whole team project, and we want to do it in as professional a way as possible.